Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the device name on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, changing the device name allows you to personalize your device and make it uniquely yours. You can give your device a name that reflects your personality or interests. And also, a customized device name can make it easier to identify your device when connecting to Bluetooth devices, Wi-Fi networks, or other devices on the network. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings on your device. Okay, next you can scroll this page and select about phone option. Well, so in this page, you will find the default device name and click edit to rename it according to your preferences. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the device name on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.